Auto Part Trading Company Limited, established in 2017, is a professional engaged in the sale and service of fuel injector, crankshaft position sensor, camshaft position sensor, mass airflow sensor, throttle position sensor, and other engine spare parts. The founder of our company has been in auto part area for 17 years. We are located in Guangzhou with convenient transportation access. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained trademark registration certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as South America, Southeast Asia, Europe, and America, etc. We also welcome special designed orders. In order to avoid any mistake, please kindly send us model number or picture of products you need, so that our salesperson will give you a proper quotation. Our company culture: high quality with lower price, so that our customers can get high profit. All of our products are tested 3 times by 3 different colleagues before shipping, so you don't need to worry about quality. We can provide almost all different fuel injectors and auto sensors. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.